Find the area of the curve y equal x, x minus 3, x minus 5, x axis and the line x equal 0 and x equal 5. Since this function is 0 at x equal 0, x equal 3 and x equal 5, then we plot the graph of y equal x, x minus 3 equal x minus 5. Now graph of y equal x, x minus 3, x minus 5, since it starts from 0 and it is 0 at x equal 3, means value of y is 0 at x equal 3, and in between 0 to 3 the function has positive value, means the value of y is positive. अगर हम 0 से 3 के बीच की कोई भी वैल्यू इस फंक्शन में रखें तो हम देखेंगे y की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आएगी, मीन्स 0 से 3 के बीच में कर्व अबव द एक्स एक्सिस रहेगा. It is 3,0, and if we put the value in between 3 to 5, the value of y is negative, means the curve lies below the x axis, and it is 3 to 5. अगर हम 3 से 5 की कोई वैल्यू रखें, 3 से 5 के बीच की, तो हम देखेंगे y की वैल्यू निगेटिव आएगी, मीन्स कर्व बिलो द एक्स एक्सिस. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ these two portion. X axis, area bounded by y is a function x, x minus 3, x minus 5, and x axis a equal, it is y equal x, x minus 3, x minus 5. 0 to 3, limit 0 to 3, value of y is x, x minus 3, x minus 5 dx, and in between 3 to 5 we have mod x minus 3, x minus 5, because it is below the x axis. Now we have 0 to 3, open the bracket, x square minus 8x plus 15, means it is x cube minus 8x square plus 15x. 3 to 5, x cube minus 8x square plus 15x mod value dx. Now integrate this term. We have x to the power 4 by 4 minus 8x cube by 3 plus 15x square (0 to 3). Integrate this term, x to the power 4 by 4 minus 8x cube by 3 plus 15 x square by 2, limit 3 to 5. Now put the value. We have upper limit 3 to the power 4 means 81 by 4 27 into 8, 216 by 3 plus 135 by 2. Upper limit 5 to the power 4 is this 625. 125 into 8 by 3. X square means 25. Lower limit 81 by 4 minus 216 by 3. One 135 by 2. These two terms cancel out. Sorry, it is mod value. We have mod value. Now simplify 81 by 4 it is 4 sorry 12 3 minus 243 Now on simplifying this term we get the required answer, which is 253 by 12 square unit. Solve it yourself.